Have you heard of the Workshop on Wheels event? Well, we're going to talk about the event here in San Diego, but most importantly, our vision for taking this program nationwide. Welcome to the Homeowner Prep podcast, where every week we educate and encourage aspiring homeowners to help them buy their first home faster. If you aspire to own a home, you're in the right place, so enjoy. Do us a favor and leave a review, a rating, and be sure to subscribe. Now let's get to this week's episode. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Homeowner Prep podcast. I'm your host, Eric Helon, and on today's episode, we have a very exciting episode where we're talking about our Workshop on Wheels event. This event is happening here in San Diego in the month of July, and so I want to talk about the program, the inception of the program, but most importantly, the vision of this program and this event going forward. Back in 2022, I had a discussion with some folks who were putting on local workshops for first-time home buyers. And I've had my share over my career of visiting different workshops, different programs and events for first-time home buyers. And one thing that I've always noticed is how hard it is to get people to come out to an in-person event. So we wanted to do something a little bit different. We wanted to change up the concept of a workshop or a seminar and do something that was a little more fun and exciting. One thing we know for sure is that people love to look for homes even when they're not quite ready. We know that people go to Zillow or Redfin or some of the other websites and just start looking around. They start putting in some search criteria and start dreaming about home ownership. But we also know that people love to go to open houses. Even if they're not qualified, even if they're not working with an agent, they just love to visit homes, call it nosy, call it window shopping, whatever you want. But I think it does a great job of casting a vision of seeing themselves in a home. So knowing that there's not a lot of folks who show up to in-person events, but there's a lot of people who love to window shop, if you will, we decided to create the Workshop on Wheels as a combination of education and encouragement, but also giving some in-person visits to homes that are actively on the market. Our Workshop on Wheels event is an opportunity for aspiring first-time home buyers to get a private limo bus tour and go out and see homes in person and get the vital information they need to make sure that they are learning how to house hunt properly. We start out with education, of course. We want to provide details and some information on credit, on budgeting, and most importantly, the different loan programs that are out there for them. First-time homebuyers often are not aware of all the different loan programs, the down payment assistance programs, and all these various grants that are available to them. So we talk about those up front, letting them know, hey, here are the programs that are available to you, and you might actually be closer to home ownership than you think. As we tour the city, we're looking at a variety of homes. We want to look at single family, we want to look at condos, townhomes, and most importantly, we want to get into some new development homes because oftentimes there's some misconceptions about when you walk into a home, what you see, what you expect, and what you're really paying for. So in that in-person house hunting experience, we also bring on a home inspector to show, hey, here's some things to look out for. Did you see this? What does this mean? What would that cost to fix? And give them an idea of starting to spot some different imperfections in a home that they may not be able to spot on their own. This is a great way to get that excitement and that encouragement going. We want our first-time home buyers to be excited about the process. The home buying process is not easy, and we know that. So we want to keep that encouragement high. We want to make sure that they're experiencing it in person, hands-on, as opposed to just looking at things online or just getting education that they're not really applying to the home ownership journey. To top it off, we really want to make sure that our attendees are taken care of. So during this event, we do provide breakfast, we do provide lunch, we provide an open Q&A session so they can have their questions answered for their unique situations. And I think this is vital because oftentimes they're getting education online. It could be YouTube, TikTok, or even attending a seminar, but they're not really getting their direct questions, the things that are impacting them. Maybe it's their credit, maybe it's saving money, maybe it's budgeting, whatever the case may be, we can answer those questions right there in person while we travel the city looking at different homes. Our goal for this workshop is not only to put on a great event here in the San Diego market, but we want to expand this program and this event nationwide. we are talking with sponsors right now who are willing to sponsor these events in different cities. And so we can do bus tours throughout the nation. That way we're giving full exposure to home buyers no matter what market you're in. We understand that markets like San Diego, LA, San Francisco are very tough for first-time home buyers. So those are the markets that we really want to target. We really want to be hands-on in the trenches with first-time home buyers in these high-price markets. As we go forward, we are definitely looking for support. We're looking for sponsors. We're looking for homeowners who want to participate and be a part of somebody's home buying journey. So if you're looking to get involved in this program in any facet, if you want to attend the event, if you want to sponsor the event, or if you just want to make an online donation, you can actually visit our website at homeownerprep.com/WOW. That's WOW for our Workshop on Wheels event. On that page, you'll be able to get more information about the program, what we do, a sample agenda, and most importantly, you'll be able to participate in a way that fits you best. We're very excited about this San Diego event. We can't wait to host it and give you a recap of how that event went. But most importantly, like I said, we're looking to expand this out throughout the nation, and we want to continue to impact aspiring home buyers, helping them with their home buying journey, educating them, but also encouraging them and keeping the excitement fun and unique. If you're looking to take the first step with Homeowner Prep, maybe you feel like you're ready, you want to get things going before you even attend an event, feel free to text the word START to 619-848-3700. Or you can visit us on our website at homeownerprep.com/start. There you can take an online assessment, reach out to us, and set up your initial consultation. If you just have a quick question that you want to ask, the easiest way to do that is to actually visit us on any of the social media platforms. We're on all channels, and you can visit us on any of those platforms at Homeowner Prep. We tend to get the majority of our questions on our Instagram account, so feel free to reach out. I hope this episode helped you understand what we're doing with the Workshop on Wheels event, and I hope that you participate in some way to help these aspiring homeowners get the keys to their first home. I look forward to providing you with some more great content on the next episode, and until then, be blessed. If you've enjoyed this show and got some great value from it, please be sure to rate and review. And if you're checking it out on YouTube, please be sure to subscribe. That really does help us to continue the show and bring in some great guests to help you on your home buying journey.